Welcome. Join me on the journey of Pakistan's finest mango, from orchard to carton.
At dawn, under the golden Pakistani sun, the season's finest mangoes are carefully hand-picked from fertile orchards. Each fruit, chosen for its perfect ripeness, represents generations of agricultural mastery and dedication. These golden treasures, embodying the soul of Pakistani soil, begin their journey from tree to table. The abundant harvest is carefully gathered, each crate filled with sun-ripened promise and flavor. Only the finest, blemish-free mangoes are selected, destined for the discerning quality of Shezan. Freshness is paramount as the fruit is meticulously prepared for transport. To preserve their peak condition, these precious mangoes are swiftly loaded into refrigerated transport. Securely stacked, the crates embark on their journey to the state-of-the-art Shezan processing facility.
From these sunlit orchards, the finest mangoes begin their journey.
With the morning sun rising higher, the truck departs, carrying its precious cargo of flavor. A swift, controlled journey ensures the mangoes maintain their pristine quality. Soon, the modern Shezan facility comes into view, ready to transform nature's bounty. Every delivery undergoes strict security and quality checks upon arrival. Precision logistics guide the truck to the receiving dock, maintaining efficiency.
Pallets of fresh mangoes are carefully unloaded, ready for the next stage.
Here, nature meets precision, where fruit becomes the juice you love.
Thorough washing ensures every mango is pristine and ready for processing. The rich, golden pulp is meticulously extracted, capturing the mango's essence. This vibrant, natural pulp then flows into advanced stainless steel blending tanks. Expert blending ensures a perfectly smooth, consistent texture and delightful taste.
State-of-the-art technology and skilled technicians ensure uncompromising quality. Pasteurization locks in the natural flavor and ensures the highest safety standards.
Sterile aseptic technology fills each carton, preserving the juice's natural goodness. Each carton is perfectly sealed and coated, guaranteeing freshness and traceability.
A deep, warm, premium documentary narrator. Styles guide the sealed cartons into the efficient packaging cell. Robotic arms meticulously palletize the finished cartons with unwavering accuracy. Every pallet undergoes a rigorous final inspection before leaving the facility.
Sealed, checked, and ready, every carton now sets out for your home.
All right, this
Carefully
pallet is confirmed.
scanned,
Take it to
finished
aisle 4.
pallets are logged into the climate-controlled warehouse. From storage, the pallets are loaded onto delivery trucks ready for distribution. Efficient teams work swiftly at the dispatch dock, preparing for market. Refrigerated trucks maintain the cold chain, ensuring optimum freshness to your home. Fully loaded, the delivery fleet stands ready to bring Shezan to you. Every detail is confirmed, guaranteeing a smooth and accurate delivery process. The trucks depart, carrying the taste of premium Pakistani mangoes far and wide. From the depot, Shezan's branded fleet begins its journey across communities. This remarkable journey culminates as Shezan mango juice reaches homes everywhere.
From our orchards to your glass, this is the taste of Shezan.